In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Zoom waiting room notification sounds. Whether you're hosting a large meeting, a small team discussion, or just connecting with friends and family, staying aware of who joins your Zoom session is crucial. Enabling notification sounds can significantly help maintain a smooth flow during your Zoom meetings without constantly checking who's entering your virtual room. Let's start by going to My Account. This can be found at the top right corner of your Zoom homepage. Clicking here will direct you to your account management page, where you can adjust various settings to tailor your Zoom experience to your preferences. Once you're on this page, find the Settings option. It will lead you into a more detailed list of options that can directly impact your meeting environment. Within the Settings menu, you'll see an option titled Meeting. This is where you control most of the settings related to the behavior of your meetings. Click on it, and your focus should now be on configuring the specifics of the meeting experience. As you delve deeper into the meeting settings, look for the section labeled In Meeting Basic. The options here are designed to influence the interactive aspects of your meeting. It includes settings that allow for a seamless experience for both the host and participants. If you're looking to save a bit of time, instead of browsing through each section, you can use the search bar available at the top of the settings page. Simply type in sound notification when someone joins, and it will quickly direct you to the relevant option you need to activate. By enabling the sound notification, you will receive audio alerts when someone enters your waiting room. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage participant flow without having to constantly monitor the participant list. Not only does it provide control, but it also allows you to address new participants swiftly, ensuring they are welcomed and included promptly into the meeting. This feature can be particularly useful if you're multitasking during your session and don't want to miss when someone is trying to join. Remember to adjust your volume settings on the hosting device so you don't miss these audio cues. It might be helpful to test the sound level once the feature is activated to confirm it's audible over any background noise or ongoing meeting activity. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can enhancing your control over your Zoom meetings with simple sound notifications. This can make a substantial difference in maintaining order and professionalism in any virtual meeting environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope this feature makes your Zoom meeting experiences even better.